What's the meaning of bronze medalist? Bronze medalist. Bronze medalist.
Bronze medalist. Bronze medalist. A bronze medalist is an athlete who finishes in third place in a competition and is awarded a bronze medal. In most Olympic sports, the top 3 finishers are awarded medals: gold for first place, silver for second place, and bronze for third place. Winning a bronze medal is still a significant achievement, as it means that the athlete has placed among the top competitors in their event. While it may not be as prestigious as winning gold, it still represents a remarkable accomplishment and shows that the athlete has worked hard to reach the podium.